and welcome to Park 24 project. Our project is located on Sukhumvit 24, just only 500 meters from the M District, which is the biggest and the newest shopping center area of Bangkok. We can walk from our project just only 500 meters to the project and to BTS Phrom Phong station, which is very convenient location. And Sukhumvit in this location is considered to be the best residential area of Bangkok. A lot of expat people living in this area, so the rental demand is very strong. For example, if we invested in this property and put it up for rental, the yield of the rental is about 6% a year. And the selling point of the project, you can see that we have a very big piece of land and we create the nice environment. We put up 4 levels of underground parking and we create a nice landscape garden in the ground level. So when people come into our project, they see 80% is the open space, only 20% is the building. And the atmosphere is all greenery and beautiful. So when they go into our project, they feel that this is quite a surprise not have this kind of project much in Bangkok, especially in this location. And also we have a very tall building. We have total of 5 towers. The towers starting from 50 story, 2 towers, 40 story, 1 tower, and 30 story, another 2 towers. The total of the project is about 2,000 units. We have the 1-bedroom size starting from 25 square meters, 2-bedroom at 50 square meters, and 3-bedroom at about 85 square meters. Our unit is fully decorated when we deliver, so the customer will be very convenient, no need to spend too much time and effort to make all the decoration, so it suits very well with foreign buyers. And we have a lot of demand from foreign buyers coming into our projects. The facilities include 5 swimming pools. We have swimming pool located on the top of building, 40 meters length, and we also have a very big area of fitness, 400 square meters in each building, so a total of about 2,000 square meters of fitness area.